I'm Jennifer, and I'm super excited you're here today for the Ribbons and Bows Open Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by
the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Special guest, the Queen of Ribbons and Bows, Lisa from At Home with Lisa. Co-host, Design with Emma, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, May's Design Corner, and me, Jennifer at Home. There are so many ways to add extra special touches around our homes by styling with ribbons and bows. Of course, we always think of beautiful wreaths. I love putting ribbon around my silverware to make my dinner parties extra special. Bows can be added to curtains or curtain rods for a feminine touch, to the back of chairs for the holidays, as well as the front door, and even an accent to a wall or fireplace. Tying ribbon or fabric around a pillow is the perfect way to create a pillow bow. Framing a real ribbon or painting or drawing of a ribbon makes such a special piece of artwork for your walls. Purchasing pillows, pillow slip covers, or attaching bows to pillows can elevate the decor in any home. A ribbon and bow garland is great for any space you wish to decorate. Here is a super cute towel bow I made for my kitchen. Tying ribbon or bows to curtains is the perfect way to add style, color, texture, or pattern to any curtain and room. Ribbons and bows can be added to any home decor to elevate the look, style, and design for everyday decor or any holiday or special occasion.
I had so much fun participating in this Ribbons and Bows Open Collaboration. Be sure to check out all of the other participating channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And a special thank you to Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for organizing this wonderful, fun collaboration. I'll see you next time.